Tired of typing Wi-Fi passwords? Share them with a QR code on your iPhone in just a few seconds. Let's go. Open your phone, tap Passwords, and use Face ID to unlock. Tap Wi-Fi to see all your saved networks. So easy. Pick your Wi-Fi network, like this one. Tap Share to reveal the QR code. This is what others will scan. Have someone scan the QR code with their camera. Boom! They're connected. No password typing needed. That's it. Share Wi-Fi like a pro. Like this video for more iPhone hacks and try this today.